and the helicopter can't see the thing, but I marked it with the stick here. Went in right at that bank there. So I brought a hoe, a metal rake, and a tree trimmer pole that's about 8 feet long, so hopefully I can get it. Here's what we're dealing with down here. Because the water's pretty high, and you can see that it could be down quite a ways. It doesn't look as steep as that over there, so who's to say? So hopefully we can reach down far enough to get it. Here we go. I'm gonna put the camera over here on the car and see what we can do. If I really want it, I'll go diving, but that's nasty water. Okay, here we go. My stick's there, so I'm gonna be right there. So lucky for me, I grabbed it by the tail and didn't put a hole through the canopy, but it doesn't look so bad. For as smack as it went in, it's like a little muddy on the skids, but blades didn't even break. Mud there. Have to take all the servos apart and make sure all the water's out of them, but battery's a little puffed there. I think my battery's doomed. Water and batteries don't work, I guess. Oh well. Back to laying her out. Not too bad. Grabbed her with the rake. Didn't have to use the hoe. She was down there quite a ways. That's it. Don't fly between you and water. Alright, here's the helicopter after it went in. We've stripped all the electronics off to it. What had happened was the tail assembly, you can zoom in on that, has actually come off right here. The top part's come off, so the belt just flipped right off of there. I don't know if it's sheared or what happened, but it's totally gone on there. So that's what happened, and it spun out of control right into that water. Here's all the pieces of our electronics we've already taken off. We're going to bag it and get some desiccant to get all the moisture out of it. I can show you all the parts. Motor, controller, gyro, we've already blew that out, and a receiver doesn't look too bad, letting that air out, and then our 3 cyclic servos and our rudder servo. So we'll bag it all up, put it all in desiccant, and hopefully everything survives. But it was in underwater for about 20 minutes until I could get that lucky rake to pull it out. So I was surprised. The water's supposed to be a pretty hard object to hit. Most people don't survive water hits, but we did. Didn't even hurt the canopy. A little dirt on it, but the canopy survived. Kaplunk. That's dirt right there, not a crack. So we lucked out. But our battery did puff, so that's a goner. So we lost the battery out of it. Hopefully all the electronics are okay after it airs out. But whoa, there comes some water. Yeah, it's definitely absorbed some water in there.